Hello, this is Yannis from Any Repair. Today we will see how we'll solder a new connector on a ripped or broken MacBook A1295 speaker connector. Let's see how we'll do this.
Now, as you can see, this is the speaker connector that is ripped. Someone has already tried to restore this connector. You see it is not properly connected, it is not properly soldered. The joints behind the connector seems not to be good. We will check it. Hopefully there are no pads missing. We'll add some flux, and with our soldering iron we will remove the connector. We don't mind if we destroy it, it's already destroyed. And we can inspect the area. The ground pins, one it is ripped, one must be refreshed. And hopefully the other pins, the other pads are okay. We will only refresh the solder in order to solder back a good connector. Well, we must find the new connector. The connector is here. Okay. And now we must align the connector in its place in the right way. This is the proper way. The trick is to press the connector down and then solder it in order for the pins to go and touch the pads before solder. And after the contact is clear, then we solder with the tin. The two metals are touching each other in order to be steady, because speakers must be detached and attached every time we must clean or do something with the board. So we will use our tweezer to press down the connector, and then with our solder iron we will touch gently the pins. When I mean gently because the temperature, if it's high, can ruin the connector. Now we will reinforce the existing ground pad. We will add flux and add some solder on the ground pad. That way. It feels good, it seems good. And on the other side, there is no pad, but we must secure the other side of the ground that is missing. So we will add some hot glue after we will clean the area in order for the glue to be attached properly. We will clean as much as we can. We will check with our multimeter the pads connected with the pins in order to ensure that we're not doing something wrong and the connections are good. And we're good. And for the last step, we will fill up the ground pad with hot glue. We will glue the connector down on the board, on its side, in order to improve the stability of the connector. We will clean up the excess glue. We are cleaning the glue only for the reason to be a beautiful connector. It is not working. It is not a specific reason for this cleanup, but we are not supposed to leave any mess around the connector for both customer and us. And I think we are okay to go. As we have finished everything, we can attach the cables on the connectors to check for its stability. I think it is very stable and we are okay to go.
That was the repair as you saw. It was an easy and clean job. If you like this video, consider like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you in another repair. Bye.